Hello and welcome to this short presentation of the Peewit paper display base in 1/44 scale. I got myself the pierced steel plank base, but you can also get brass airfields or concrete bases. Furthermore, you can also get these in 72nd scale and the prices range from 250 to about 350 depending on the scale, and euro that is. I bought this because I'm building some of my 1/44 scale kits now and wanted to have something to present them on when I do the final photo shoot. Also it was on sale, so it only cost me €2.44, and since I'm a bit lazy, this landed in my shopping cart. Of course, this is something you can easily Google, print out and fold yourself, but let's see how the actual assembly works out. This is what you get, the paper display base, and here on the back the instructions. There is also a video instruction that I will link in the description because this URL down here doesn't work. The display base itself is relatively thick paper, but definitely not cardboard. So first of all I cut out the base, then I cut out these triangles where you have to fold the paper later. In the next step I used a ruler and a dull knife to scribe a fold line between the base and these black side walls. Then I folded these flaps down. I was also able to fold these triangles in the corners using some tweezers. That was quite fiddly. And finally I used some super glue to glue these corners together. What you can also do is use a black pen to cover these joints at the corners. And here is the finished base. As you can see, I'm more the plastic modeler than a paper modeler because it's all a bit bendy. Well, what's my verdict? For the €2.50 that I invested, it's okay. However, as I said, you can simply print out something like that yourself and fold it up. But if you are lazy like me and looking for a quick option, this is quite nice to have. The main issue I have with this base is that I mostly build modern fighter jets. So if we take my 1/44 scale Sukhoi 47 as an example, it fits on the base, but it's too large and it just looks out of place. The 72nd scale Messerschmitt 109 is of course also too large. I could however imagine that 1/44 scale aircraft of World War II will look quite nice on this base, as long as it's no large bomber or something like that. And last but not least, the 1/44 scale F-117, which is smaller than the Sukhoi and the Messerschmitt, but still looks a bit weird on this tiny base. So all in all I have to say that this base is not really of use for me, as long as I did not finish my smaller 1/44 scale aircraft like the F5 Tiger or the Messerschmitt 163. The printing quality is quite good though, and the low price is also a plus. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!